This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a croissant out of air-dry clay. First, take a small ball of air-dry clay, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter. Roll it between your palms to form a smooth, elongated cone. Then, gently flatten this cone a bit, creating a triangular base. This initial shape is crucial for achieving the classic croissant look. Keep your clay pliable and work quickly to prevent drying. Now, let's give it that iconic croissant curve. With a craft knife or a sculpting tool, make a few small indentations along the wider, flatter end of your clay triangle. These will become the flaky layers. Carefully begin rolling the wide end towards the pointed tip, keeping it snug. Once rolled, gently curve the entire piece into a crescent shape, just like a real croissant. Smooth any rough edges. To make your clay croissant look even more realistic, it's time for texture. Use a toothpick or a fine-tip tool to gently create small, irregular marks on the surface, mimicking baked layers. You can also add a very thin, rolled piece of clay around the outer curve for a slightly raised, baked edge. Once you're happy with the details, set your croissant aside to air dry completely. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours, depending on thickness. Once your clay croissant is fully dry and hard, it's ready for its golden brown transformation. Use acrylic paints in shades of tan, brown, and a touch of yellow to achieve that perfect baked look. Apply a clear sealant or varnish to protect your paintwork and the clay itself, giving it a nice finish. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your miniature clay masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.